You're mounted here and welcome you to my channel. I will show you how you can actually connect your MetaMask with your Testnet, OpenX. So let's take a ride and open MetaMask. Here you have to punch in your password. Alright, so now when you log on, what you do is you click in the bottom right corner on the settings icon, and then you click networks, and then you click at the bottom there where it reads add network. Then you click on the right, check on top there, there are two tabs. There is popular and then there's custom networks. So you customize your network. So network name, here you have to punch in the following. You punch in the following. So you capitalize the first letter, open, and capitalize E and X. Then capitalize the L, long, and capitalize the T, Testnet. Here I've made a mistake. Testnet. Then RPC URL, that's https long.rpc.openx.network. Then chain ID, punch in 7798. Then the symbol, you punch in USDT. Then block explorer, punch in https then scan.long.openx.net.network, and then you click add. Okay, beautiful. So we come here. The native token on this network is USDT. It is the token used for gas fees. So click, got it. So it has been added. When you check on top there, you are now able to see it, right? Beautiful. Okay, so after stage 1, you move on to stage 2. What I'll do is I'll actually leave all the details in the description section. So you move on to stage 2, you copy that, and then they're saying paste on your MetaMask browser, connect Weebly wallet, switch network, confirm 0.001 core as gas fee, claim testnet USDT. That's how it does. That's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Okay, so now after copying this address, you can now head on to MetaMask. It's locked. Let me unlock this one. Enter the password there. Alright, so now after punching in the password, and then you happen to see this window, I want you to pay attention and listen good. Where you're going to click, you're going to click the tab which is actually the last but one on the right. There is the settings icon, which is actually in the bottom right corner. Now the one which is on the left, this one here, and you see, boom, we are here. So what you do is you paste that address that you copied from there, you paste it in here, click and hold, then paste it, then click go. And boom, will be here. So what you do is you click connect Web3 wallet, and then you hit connect, and it's saying account 1 connected. Okay, so from here, what do you do next? Let me show you how you go about this now. Okay, lovely. So after that, after you've actually connected the wallet, what you need now to do is you click add core mainnet, and it will bring you here. So what you do is you quickly confirm, and then you click switch network, and that's the tab in the bottom right. Okay, beautiful. So you're gonna click got it, and we are done. Okay, so now you need to click claim testnet, and boom, it has. Okay, so you now click confirm. Saying transaction submitted, claim testnet. Please wait about 10 blocks for confirmation. After doing everything that we have done so far, you need to copy this address on stage 3 and check out what they're saying. Saying type 1000 in OEX box, connect to wallet, confirm. Okay. Type in 1000 in OEX. All right, so here we go. Let's take a ride and go to MetaMask. You punch in the password. Okay, so when you're in, click the icon which is the 4th from the left. There are those tabs sitting at the bottom. Now the last but one on your right, this one here. So when you get here, come on, click connect to Web3 wallet. And then click switch network. Beautiful. So now when you get here, you need now to click Testnet swap. Come on, Testnet. So now when you get here, what you need to do is you click connect, then you choose MetaMask. So click MetaMask, enter the password here. Okay, so when you click MetaMask, you'll be brought here, so you need to click connect. And then you hit switch network, and boom, MetaMask is connected. So now what next? Here it's showing that there's 0 0, there's 0 0. Okay, so after connecting your MetaMask wallet, you can now type in here 0.1. Okay, and then you hit swap. So here they're showing a 0.1, 0.41 USD. Swap. They're saying, okay, click accept, confirm swap. Then you click confirm at the bottom there. We are waiting for confirmation. Okay, so the transaction is complete. Check on OEX, and I now have 0.1, and then on USDT I have 0.586741. Okay, so that's how we do it.